my name is Alexandra and welcome to my studio. So I want to show you the design that I made not recently, but a couple of years ago, but I never made the video about it. And that's the design you see besides me, and it's called Azul. So it was actually inspired by the yarn I saw by one of my favorite yarn dyers, and it's the company that called Amanda Hope Yarn. And she had the most beautiful teals that, the set of most beautiful teals here. And it's like a dark teal. And it's very kind of like, it's not very often you see such beautiful teals like packaged in one. And I just came up, I saw it on Instagram and I'm like, I have to make a design just for that. So let me show you a little bit kind of close what it is. So this is a scarf, and it's very how to say it. So basically, the cable pattern is very dense, but it's so pretty, and the edging is so nice and very beautifully scaled. So it has a very nice finish to it. You can see on the wrong side. And the stripes are done vertically. And so I kind of start exploring how you work with three yarns. So I know how to work it here. You just do intarsia, and it's, fairly easy. But I wanted to cast on so it's very beautiful and seamless. So you can actually see here, if I look here, see how seamless it is? You don't see any connection lines. It just looks absolutely perfect. So there's a technique to that. And in my pattern, I have a photo tutorial of how to do it. And it's called Intarsia Castan. And you, on the other side, you do Intarsia bind off the same way. So it's like, it looks the same way, absolutely seamless and beautiful. And you do intarsia knitting in between. But and I also made a video tutorial, which is below this video. You can find the link so you can see how it's done. It's very, you have to kind of like it's not exactly intuitive, so it's good to have like a supportive video and photo tutorial for that. But once you learn it, it's very practical application. It can have very practical application to any other intarsia projects that you work on. If you want to have this beautiful and perfect edging on it, just like I did. So here it is. So 3 colors. It's DK weight yarn, so you can actually substitute it with some lightweight worsted. And again, this is beautiful, unusual kind of cable pattern here. And the way you work, you start with US 5 needle, and you work the ribbing, and then you change to US 7 and work the rest until you have to come up with the ribbing on the opposite end and switch to smaller size needle. So, and again, I wanted to show you the edging. So nice and clean. And I love the scallop edges. So I love unusual cables. And the way I wear it, I actually just kind of pin it here. And it looks really beautiful with a jacket or without the jacket. And of course, teal colors makes everything happy and beautiful. So let me show you what you get when you buy a pattern. So Azul is how many pages? 8 pages long. So, and it's not because it's complicated. It's because I'm trying to be very thorough and detailed. So it's got step-by-step for the tutorial, again, how to do intarsia castan and bind up. It's right here. And it's got a chart right here and written instructions and how to, very detailed, how to castan with intarsia. And so that's, and the cable, cable stitch pattern. So, but it's a very good idea to kind of like explore a little bit of a new techniques with a lot of, support online. again, just watch the video and it would be, easier for you to do. So 3 skeins of DK weight yarn, and check out Amanda Hope Yarn website, link below. She may still have those sets, or she may come up with the new sets in DK weight yarn. You need 2 sets of needles. I use Chiago for all my projects, US 5 and US 7, and a cable needle. That's it. So I hope you like this design. I hope to see your Azuls somewhere out there, and just tag me if you're posting on social media so I can see your creation, and I'll see you soon. Bye.